Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to tear apart this here Craftsman circular saw. It doesn't work no more. As you can see, it weighs 13 pounds, 1.1 ounces. It is mostly aluminum, cast aluminum. So we'll price it up as dirty aluminum, and then we'll tear it apart and see what we can get out of it and see what it's worth. So stay tuned and let's get it done. It is a fairly old one, but it doesn't work. Not the cord. Lots of straights. That's aluminum. Kind of neat to see. Well, that didn't work. Found it. Wasn't that so much easier? Wow. Don't think I'll be getting that copper off. That looks way too glazed up. It sucks, but you should be able to get this off. Here, screwdriver right here. And there we have it. I'm going to clean this up a little more. Try to get them brass pieces out of there, which I think I can just punch them. They got some pins in here. If I can punch them out. I might be able to get them out. So I'll get this cleaned up and then we'll be back to weigh everything up. That was so much easier than I thought. I'll show you how I got it out. One of my pins I saved from another piece that I scrapped. Fits perfectly in that. I take the hammer and out it came. And this here just pops right back out. Just like that. That's simple. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, all the steel from this saw is 6 pounds, 9.9 ounces for all that steel. For the cast aluminum, we have 3 pounds, 12.6 ounces of cast aluminum. The insulated copper wire, we have 7.8 ounces. I tried taking the insulation off of this and it's just a pain, so I said to heck with it. So we got 7.8 ounces of insulated copper wire. The copper motor, we have 14.6 ounces. I tried getting it out. I did get the pin and everything out, but this here was just impossible to get with all that shellac in there, so we're going to leave it as is. The brass we have is 1.7 ounces of brass. And for the copper, we got 10.3 ounces of copper. That wasn't too bad in that circular saw. Got all these little pieces out. Let me get one out here. Took all those out. And those was a surprise. Usually they're just flat, but being old, I guess they're a little bigger. And this here bearing, or inside where the saw blade set, was copper also. I thought that was kind of neat. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video of this teardown of this here circular saw. Like I said, it didn't work. The wires was really bad. So hope you liked it. Please share and subscribe my videos. I'm bringing them out now every Wednesdays and Saturdays, and I'm going to keep them coming, and I hope you all like them. So thanks for watching. See ya.